Hey everyone! Want to use Runway ML for YouTube videos? In this video, I'll show you how to create AI-powered YouTube content using Runway ML step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Runway ML website. Sign into your account and open your dashboard. Next, plan your YouTube video idea and decide what type of content you want to create, such as tutorials, storytelling videos, promotional content, or visual effects. Now choose the right Runway ML tool for your project. You can use features like asterisk text to video asterisk asterisk, image to video asterisk asterisk, AI editing tools, background removal, or other creative options depending on your needs. Write a detailed prompt describing the visuals you want to generate. Include the subject, scene, camera movement, lighting, and style to help create better AI footage. Next, upload your own images or videos if you want to customize your content and use Runway ML's editing features. Generate your clips and review each result. If needed, improve your prompts or settings to create better scenes. After creating your AI footage, combine your clips with voiceover, music, captions, and transitions using a video editing tool. Next, optimize your final video for YouTube by choosing the right resolution, aspect ratio, title, thumbnail, and description. Finally, export your completed video and upload it to your YouTube channel. And that's how to use Runway ML for YouTube videos. With AI-generated visuals, creative prompts, and smart editing, you can create engaging YouTube content more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.